The real truth about the FDA's attack on Kind bars. According to the geniuses that regulate our food supply, saturated fat works just like trans fat to raise your bad cholesterol and up your heart attack risk. This is not only off the mark, an increasing number of studies has found that sat fat does not, in fact, increase the risk of heart disease and might even have health-giving benefits, but also beside the point, as there are more egregious ingredients that make Kind bars less healthy than packaging might imply. But before we get to that, Kind bars don't deserve to be dissed in their entirety. Along the grand snack food spectrum, they're infinitely better than all of the artificial, empty-calorie crap that's out there, as they're made from few ingredients, most of which are whole foods, nuts and dried fruit. They'll satisfy a sweet tooth for considerably less sugar than a candy bar or brownie. The bars contain anywhere from 4 to 16 grams, so choose your flavor wisely, plus provide protein, 3 to 10 grams, and fiber, 3 to 7 grams, to help you get through an afternoon without your stomach trying to eat itself. But if you're looking for a truly clean option, though, there's room for improvement. Here's what we would have called out on Kind's ingredients list instead: soy protein isolate. Manufacturers use it because it's cheap, but soy protein isolate is one of the most processed form of protein out there. Your body doesn't assimilate it as efficiently as a whole form of protein, says Renee Rosen, a certified holistic nutritionist and founder of the wellness consulting company Green Eggs and Gale. Translation: eating a Kind bar after a workout won't feed your muscles as well as something like organic chicken breast or a smoothie made with whey protein. 90% of all soy is also genetically modified. Tapioca starch and soy lecithin both are fillers and binders used to give bars their chewy consistency without the addition of extra, and more expensive, real food ingredients, like dried fruit, that would do the same thing. While these won't kill ya, they have zero nutritional value. Non-GMO glucose. Props to Kind for using a non-GMO ingredient, but why not just call glucose by its more recognizable name? They're disguising sugar, which the average person might not understand, says Rosen. And since some bars contain up to 16 grams of the stuff, it's something that should be easy to pick out. The FDA actually scolded Kind for using glucose, too, but only because it didn't use the full legal name, glucose syrup. But 4 teaspoons of glucose or sugar or whatever you want to call it? Totally cool with the FDA. The bottom line, Kind might not be the healthiest bar on the shelf, but that's not for the reasons the FDA is citing. Yet for the agency to waste its time calling out Kind for being unhealthy when there are thousands way junkier snacks on store shelves is absolutely ludicrous. Either way, you're better off picking a less processed snack whenever you have the chance. Allow us to suggest a handful of nuts and fruit not held together with non-GMO glucose syrup.